Yo, Chapaling. Long time no see you, my brother. Wagwan. Wagwan. Forward, my brother. Forward, man. A long time no see you. Yeah, I deal with. Man, I there bad, bro. You know, say me just there. I go and all the vibes and say me I come link you. Cause long time no see you, know. Everybody has say them see and think coming. True, we are twin. John no star. I'm glad for see you though. I'm glad for know you're right and thing. You see me? So everything I go on different. And they bad bro go and give God thanks same way. And I look out the zine. So me I go cook some food and thing. But that's there man. I build back and thing. I never know. I say hmm, everybody has say me a favor must throw a twin. Same way. But I know the code. I just there man and go and look out thing. So what you want to do up to headquarters? Just there go and normal out the zine. I plant 2 yam and bananas. So I don't know how it go. I'm not come to stay long, you know. I just say me I go pass through the zine. I know up on the farm me I go and think. And I just I'll come check if me see the zine because I'm brother from Atal that time. We born the same time. So me have to come check zine. More time if you call me, you know. More time if you call me, man, and make we go and relax. Zine and chill and chat on phone and them thing there. Nobody afraid for call me, man. Zine. So I have to go make a step now because I'm going to go in a farm, zine. So little more when we see each other again. Alright, bad bro, did right. Zine. There. So me see my brother them time them not see him again. All the man I live so with me and my family. Sure, I know. From me see my brother them time me not see him again. Man, sweep up the yard and come go in here, man. Father God, no matter how hard me try to live good with my brother, the man just, you know, me can't see the man nor hear from the man. But I hope and pray say not give him going in no trouble, nor give himself problem. Him tell me say, I am a banana in my plant. So I hope and pray say I am a banana in my plant. Cause me nah come bail nobody. Me nah come bail nobody. Me tired of now. If I get phone call I tell and people I tell me say that you in a problem. So Father God, may I beg you for guide and protect my little brother. Zine, guide and protect him. Please, may I beg you.